Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to control the output of the line controller using DALI switches. First we can use the manager to find our controller. Click on search, and then you can go edit. So if you look at the IP address here, you can make changes if you want to. Make sure the mode is on the right mode. And basically that's all we need to do here, and then we go to our wizard, DALI wizard. Okay, now we open our DALI wizard. Next, network. This is our controller, line A. Connect. You can scan the lines. Okay, then we scan our control devices. So our switches should appear here. Okay, these are the switches. We need two switches to control one output relay to turn it on and off. And then we click next. Next again. We can identify the switch we want, and after that we can open it. Okay, we select action, and we use sequence 3, which is the max. I've created this sequence already in the monitor, I'll show you later. And the target, we just select an address. It's a dummy address anyway, and we copy the profile, duplicate profiles, make sure all the profiles the same. Okay, this switch will turn on the output. Then we click sync. That's finished. We go and program the second switch. Okay, exactly the same action. This one we run sequence 4, which is off sequence. Address, we choose the same address here. Okay, and sync this one as well. Okay, before we do that, actually we have to duplicate profiles. So I cancel this. Duplicate profile. This is all the profile. Now we sync it. Okay, we program two switches. Now we finish with the wizard, and we go and open the monitor. Okay, we open our monitor. We may want to, if you need to, change the controller and communication IP. I've already set this already, 192.168.8.93. Yeah, okay. First thing we do here, we have to create couple of network variables. I've already done this. Okay, that's for the max, running sequence 3. Make sure you enable it here. Type advanced function, and this is a device address. This is the address of the switch. So the switch was address 01. Select that, and we give our variable a name, a number, number 1. Okay. And the next one is, that's a UDP one. That's what listens to what's been sent to the switch. Enabled, type Ethernet NV UDP, and this listens to variable 1. Okay, and that's all for sequence 3. Now we do the same thing for sequence 4. Okay, enable, that's for the off button. Type advanced function, and the device, this is where our second switch address is, address 02, and the variable number is assigned number 2. Okay, and then we create a UDP for it, UDP sequence 4. Basically type Ethernet NV UDP, the variable number 2. Okay. Okay, now we look at the sequences. Okay, I've created these two sequence 3, just a simple max. Okay, just a max button enabled. Okay, and the sequence 4, which is off, DALI command off, enabled. Okay, these are our two sequences. Then we go to our groups. We create two groups, two dummy groups. I've created this already, dummy group 1, and we add the NV. This is for the on button, so we add the network variable UPD sequence 3 here, basically by just right clicking, modify, and I've just added this one here. Okay, also we also add the output for this by just right clicking here and modifying it. So we're using the output 1, that's why I've selected output 0, that's why I've selected output 0. Okay, that's all we need to put here. Apply, okay, and then we create the second dummy group, NV, that's the UPD for sequence 4, which is off, and also the output, the same output as previous one. Okay, after we finish all our programming, we synchronize the controller. Okay, now we can go and check it. Okay, to check our program, we press on the on switch. You can see the sequence 3 running, and then to turn off the output, we press the off switch. We can see sequence 4 running off. We can also monitor the output of the controller using our web browser, which is type the IP of the controller 192.168.8.93. Okay, now we click on outputs. And this is our output, this is the one we are controlling. Okay, I'll press the on switch and then see what happens to this. Press the on switch, then we have to go and refresh. See, auxiliary 0 is on now, and we press the off button, and then we have to refresh the page again. Refresh. Auxiliary 0 is off now.